Monday, which is 2 days ago. Went and had surgery done on my eye. So now it looks really gross and I can't see out of it. Yay. Right? So, today, went home for the first time. No, not really. Home. My house. Right? So, home for the first time and kind of feel like crap. I go to school tomorrow, but apparently I have to and stuff. So, update. Yay! I really need you guys to request stuff for future videos and stuff like that. And yes, I'm in my bathroom. Yeah, don't judge me. I can only see out of one eye, so safest place in the house for me right now. You know, yeah. I hate this. You see how gross that looks? It's nasty, and I can feel the freaking stitches in there, and it's just gross. I think it's raining outside, but yay, we need rain. So anyway, so yeah, love you guys. Make a heart with me, yay. Fail. Bye.